Hello, I'm Lance, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Cape Town. Today, I'll show you how to use the IAM policy simulator to test your AWS identity and access management policies and permissions without affecting your live AWS production environment. Let's get started. The IAM policy simulator lets you test identity-based policies and permission boundaries before you apply them in production. You can use it through the console or the AWS command line interface. First, to use the simulator, make sure that your IAM user or role has the IAM get context keys for principal policy and IAM simulate principal policy permissions attached. To use the simulator with the console, open the IAM Policy Simulator console. On the left navigation, select the user or role for the policies that you want to test. The simulator loads all the policies that are attached to the identity. You can review the policies and select specific policies to include in the simulation. To simulate an action, in the Policy Simulator section, choose the AWS service that you want to test. For example, choose Amazon Simple Storage Service. Select the specific actions that you want to test. For example, choose Get Object. And put Object. Choose Run Simulation. Review the simulation results to check whether each action is allowed or denied. You can see the policy statement that's responsible for the decision. If an action is denied, select the action to check what policy causes the denial. This is helpful for debugging permission issues. You can also test with Amazon resource names or specific resources. Expand the section and enter the ARN of the resource that you want to test. Choose Run Simulation to run the simulation again to see if the result changes with a specific resource. To use the simulator with CLI, open the AWS Cloud Shell console. Run the Simulate Principal Policy command and include the ARN of the user or role and the actions that you want to test. Review the output to see the eval action name and eval decision for each action and whether it's allowed or denied. You can also test resource-based policies. Create a JSON file with the resource policy and then pass it to the CLI with the resource policy flag. Then run the CLI command again with the resource policy file and resource ARN. Note that the policy simulator has some limitations. The simulator can't test service control policies with conditions, and it can't simulate trust account access. Your results may also differ slightly from your live environment. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.